Welcome back to E-Green Channel. Imagine warm beaches and sunshine. Picture yourself lounging on a golden sandy beach, the sound of waves gently crashing in the background, and the warm sun kissing your skin. This is the essence of Brazil, a country known for its vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and delicious cuisine. That's where smoothie bowls were born. These delightful bowls are a perfect representation of Brazil's tropical paradise. They are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a feast for your eyes, with their vibrant colors and beautiful presentation. From the beautiful country of Brazil, these bowls are like summer in every bite. Imagine walking through a bustling Brazilian street market, where the air is filled with the sweet aroma of fresh fruits. Vendors proudly display an array of colorful fruits, from juicy mangoes to ripe bananas, all of which are key ingredients in a traditional Brazilian smoothie bowl. The best part? They are totally vegan. These smoothie bowls are made entirely from plant-based ingredients, making them a healthy and ethical choice for everyone. Whether you're vegan or just looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, these bowls are a delicious and nutritious option. Smoothie bowls are like a thick, creamy smoothie, but you eat them with a spoon. This unique texture makes them incredibly satisfying and perfect for a hearty breakfast or a refreshing snack. Each spoonful is a delightful blend of flavors and textures, from the creamy base to the crunchy toppings. They are bursting with fruits, vegetables, and all things good for you. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these bowls are a powerhouse of nutrition. You can customize your smoothie bowl with a variety of toppings, such as fresh berries, nuts, seeds, and even a drizzle of honey or agave syrup for a touch of sweetness. Ready to bring a taste of Brazil to your breakfast table? Let's get blending. Start by choosing your favorite fruits and vegetables. Blend them together until you achieve a thick, creamy consistency. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top it with your favorite ingredients. In just a few minutes, you can create a delicious and nutritious smoothie bowl that will transport you to the sunny beaches of Brazil with every bite. So, grab your blender and let's get started on this tropical culinary adventure. Mornings can be super busy, right? Who has time for a big breakfast every day? Smoothie bowls are the answer. In just 5 minutes, you can blend up a delicious and healthy breakfast. Chop some fruit, toss it in the blender, whiz it up and pour. No cooking, no mess, just pure deliciousness ready in a flash. Need an energy boost to start your day? Smoothie bowls are like a battery charger for your body. Fruits give you natural sugars for energy, while greens pack in vitamins and minerals. You'll feel amazing and ready to take on the day. Say goodbye to that sluggish feeling and hello to a bright and energized you. Smoothie bowls are not just delicious, they are little bowls of health. Packed with fruits and veggies, they are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Antioxidants help your body fight off bad stuff. Fiber keeps your tummy happy. And all those vitamins and minerals, they keep your body strong and healthy. It's like a party in your mouth and everyone's invited. Section 5. Ella's Simple Smoothie Bowl Recipe. Your delicious journey starts here. Welcome to a world of vibrant flavors and nutritious delights. Today we're diving into the art of crafting the perfect smoothie bowl. A treat that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Ready to make your first smoothie bowl? It's so easy. Here's my go-to recipe, a blend of simplicity and taste that will leave you craving more. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie enthusiast or a beginner, this recipe is designed to be foolproof and delightful. 1 frozen banana, break it into chunks. The frozen banana is the backbone of our smoothie bowl, providing a creamy texture and natural sweetness. Make sure to break it into manageable chunks for easier blending. 1/2 cup of frozen berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, whatever you like. These berries not only add a burst of color, but also pack a punch of antioxidants and vitamins. Feel free to mix and match your favorites for a unique flavor profile. 1/4 cup of plant-based milk, almond, soy, oat, your choice. The plant-based milk helps to blend everything smoothly while adding a subtle flavor. Choose your favorite or experiment with different types to find the perfect match for your taste buds. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for extra goodness. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, Offering omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and protein, they add a slight crunch and a lot of health benefits to your smoothie bowl. Put all ingredients in a blender. This is where the magic happens. Combining all these ingredients creates a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Blend until smooth and creamy. Watch as the ingredients transform into a luscious, velvety mixture. The key is to blend until there are no chunks left, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable eating experience. Pour into your favorite bowl. Choose a bowl that makes you happy because presentation is just as important as taste. A beautiful bowl can elevate your smoothie experience. Now comes the fun part. Toppings. This is where you can get creative. Add a variety of toppings to enhance the flavor, texture, and visual appeal of your smoothie bowl. Some popular options include fresh fruits, granola, nuts, seeds, coconut flakes, and a drizzle of honey or nut butter. The possibilities are endless, so have fun and make it your own. Fresh fruits like sliced bananas, strawberries, and kiwi add a refreshing burst of flavor and a pop of color. Granola provides a satisfying crunch, while nuts like almonds or walnuts add a rich, nutty taste. Seeds such as pumpkin or sunflower seeds offer additional texture and nutrition. Coconut flakes give a tropical twist, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup adds a touch of sweetness. Nut butter, whether it's almond, peanut, or cashew, adds a creamy, indulgent element that ties everything together. Take a moment to admire your creation. You've just made a delicious and nutritious smoothie bowl that's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a light meal. Enjoy every bite and feel good knowing you're nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Dig in and savor the blend of flavors and textures. Each spoonful is a delightful combination of creamy, crunchy, sweet, and tangy. It's a treat for your taste buds and a boost for your health. Remember, the beauty of a smoothie bowl is its versatility. You can customize it to suit your preferences and dietary needs. Experiment with different ingredients and toppings to discover new favorites. The journey to deliciousness is just beginning. And there you have it, Ella's simple smoothie bowl recipe. A delightful, nutritious, and easy-to-make treat that will brighten your day. Your delicious journey starts here, so get blending and enjoy the ride.
Section 6. Topping creativity, design your dream bowl. Toppings are where your smoothie bowl becomes a work of art. Let your creativity shine. Here are some ideas. Fresh fruit-sliced bananas, berries, mango add a burst of freshness. Crunchy granola for a satisfying crunch. Nutty goodness, almonds, walnuts, pecans add healthy fats and protein. Super seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, tiny but mighty. Section 7. Taste the rainbow colors that nourish. Welcome to a journey through the vibrant world of fruits and vegetables, where each color tells a unique story of health and vitality. Did you know that different colored fruits and veggies have different superpowers? It's true. Each hue represents a different set of nutrients and benefits that can help you thrive. Let's dive deeper into the colorful spectrum of nature's bounty. Red, like strawberries, are good for your heart. These vibrant berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. They also contain vitamin C, which is essential for the repair of body tissues and the maintenance of a healthy immune system. Orange, like mangoes, are good for your eyes. Mangoes are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining good vision, especially in low light conditions. Additionally, mangoes provide a healthy dose of vitamin C and fiber, aiding in digestion and boosting your immune system. Green, like spinach, are good for your energy. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, including iron, which is vital for the production of red blood cells and the transportation of oxygen throughout the body. It also contains magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve function, and folate, which is important for cell growth and metabolism. Blue and purple, like blueberries, are good for your brain. Blueberries are known for their high levels of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. They also contain vitamins C and K as well as fiber, making them a great choice for overall health. So make your smoothie bowl a rainbow of colors for a superpowered breakfast. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can ensure that you're getting a wide range of nutrients that support different aspects of your health.
Not only will your meals be more visually appealing, but they'll also be packed with the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to function at its best. So go ahead, taste the rainbow, and let the colors nourish you from the inside out. Section 8, Beyond the Bowl Smoothie Bowls for every meal. Who says smoothie bowls are just for breakfast? They are so versatile. Need a quick lunch? Add some tofu or tempeh for extra protein. Craving something sweet after dinner? A small smoothie bowl can be a healthier dessert option. Get creative and see how many ways you can enjoy a smoothie bowl. Section 9, Start your day with joy. Smoothie bowls are more than just a meal, they are a celebration of health, flavor, and creativity. So grab your blender, your favorite fruits, and get ready to blend your way to a happier, healthier you. Enjoy every delicious spoonful. Subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.